Yeah. Alright, I'm gonna battle. Hello. Hello. This in the right corner. It's a monster for the battle. A kit. It's a wild monster. And I'm gonna choose my starter, which has revenge. And revenge is really good in this game. See? See? Oh, he missed. See? You can see I won the battle. You can see I won the battle. Now, you see my starter?